This ain't the final score, is it? More copyrighted music. It's not dark.
Yeah.
Because it makes it easier to try and explain.
I swear.
As well.
That's something I'm going to need to look up.
Or maybe that's not the exact score.
Rather than the other way of saying, oh, you're just gonna launch a big run.
Oh, I prefer saying it like it is. You're gonna rot on the ground, deal with it.
Yeah, I'm going to need to look up Tony Basil with the whole Hey Mickey thing. And then just see like what license that song was based on. Because knowing this game is developed by Warner Brothers, there is also Warner Music. So I'm kind of thinking, could it be like connected some way?
Possibly. You're kaput! No longer is alive, it's dead. It's dead, it's dead. That's the way I do it. I don't care, I would say it like
Oh great, I've only got one bullet left. But I forgot to get you to the milk for your cake. Well, thanks for like pretty much giving the whole surprise away.
to be fair, it's perfect.
I'm gonna bring out a
Loads of
move.
X's! Loads of X's!
Yeah, that move's good for crowd control.
That's the thing though, is like, normally, yeah.
Loads of X's! It's probably the best combo ever. Overpowered, man. Do it again, you might kill all three. No, well, I killed them. Didn't get no rock on them, but you killed them. There's a guy over there. There was a guy over there.
She likes spoons.
There is no spoon.
You almost got windmills.
Talk about being
Is this the farm? I can't remember.
Yes.
You're gonna just draw them all in together or whatever, shoot the blue.
That's called GMP.
Yeah, no, wait. Was it just loads and loads and loads of them? Spawn?
Yeah, I know what I gotta do here.
So do I.
Oh, really did.
They're not just damaged in there. Oh, is that the point? Oh. Draw them all in, then mash A in the next. Come on. That's gotta be cool. No, it's 3 again.
Even if it's just one medal.
Yeah, it's still 1 medal. There's never 1 medal. Cool! Hardcore!
This is the best part.
Hardcore!
Step right up here! Don't be shy!
Hardcore! Oh, you're gonna get loads now, aren't you? Good.
And this way you're at the farming spot.
Hang on a minute. Have you got enough to activate the overpowered thing where you kill everything instantly?
Let's get them all in the blender.
Oh, you can do it as well, Shans. Activate it quick. You know the rainbow thing where you kill everything instantly? If you can activate it now, just imagine.
Oh, the coins.
Oh. There's 4. No, 3. What do you mean that's the farming spot for it?
This is why it's my favourite level.
All the exploitatives.
There's another 3. Cool.
Ah, I forgot to turn my Switch alerts on. Someone else followed. I'll be able to find out.
So yeah,
That worked.
how many?
You got 3 for free in your score. Noob. Oh, you could.
Thanks for your follow, Squishy Kitties.
You know, if you've done that right and didn't care about your rating for level, right? You should have waited until there's one zombie left on the final wave, died to it, and then did it over and over again.
That's something that I'm going to do on the next time.
Coming blood.
I need my diabetes medicine.
Beat us. Whoa.
I was gonna say, you know, if you had that, you know, that thing which has the one-shot enemies. Yeah. Jan, do you know if you had Jan, do you know if you had the thing which allows you to one-shot enemies at the start of the final wave? You should group them all together, activate that, then went AXXX and just charge straight through them all and kill them all. You would have got like 4s, 5s,
Well, anyways,
a 7 possibly, which would have been insane.
Hey guys, there's something after this.
Go, no, I don't need it all anyway.
Be my bride!
I'm gonna have to get all the stuff to make a
Okay.
grasshopper. Just so then you can taste it.
You don't know how to make it though.
Called the
You need to
internet.
call someone in to make it for you.
It won't take me hard. All I have to do is get the ingredients for it first. The
And then-
ingredients are harder to get than in.
41 medals.
Yeah, but I can't drink. It's a girl's drink.
There's a girly drink versus a manly drink.
How can you say it's a green drink? It's green.
Yeah. Keep going.
And it looks like
You know the one we're after.
85.
But it tastes like this.
You saw the name of it and like, yes, wouldn't you? That's what I was like, it's fun. There's one I'm very surprised is not in the game though.
This game makes sense.
It's made by Japanese. It's made by Japanese people. One outfit, one surprise, not in the game. The schoolgirl.
Have you noticed how her personality is different here?
Yeah.
She's no longer fun or whimsical or bubbly. She's pretty much like calm and somber and
I'm on drugs, bro.
on drugs. You know, that's the sort of attitude she is right now.
She's on weed. She smokes weed every day.
She smokes weed, MLG.
She's been taking a space cake.
She is the space cake.
You know what space cake is, right?
No, she's a zombie, isn't she?
No. She's on space cake. You know what space cake is, right?
The illusion's broken. She knows.
Wasn't it fairly fucking obvious though?
That's the thing about Japanese things. It's like creepy girls are so funny.
No.
I mostly side with them.
Isn't it the maniacal ones you side with?
That
The ones
included.
with special synthetic fiberness never let me down. Yes, well, come on. Is that about right? Or the pervert one. The pervert terrorist.
Well, we got 2 more missions to do after this. Oh, it's this
Wouldn't
one.
it be nicer if you could like choose what part of the level to jump into? Totally right.
All I'm thinking of is Amanda here from Soul. Even though it's the same voice actress and all.
You know about the one who fell into the needle pit?
Yeah.
How did that not kill her? It should have. I've explained many times why that should have killed her. So what did they have to find in that needle pit?
Basically, you had to get a key in order to get out of the whole place.
Wasn't there a very easy way of doing that?
No.
With the needle pit, there must have been an easy way.
One of them had to get in just to get the key. There's no other way around
you didn't
it.
have to fall in like she did.
She got thrown in.
You didn't have to get thrown in like she did. There must have been something in the movie.
He wanted her to get the point across.
Well, at that point then, she was the junkie, like, get in there, bitch.
Point taken. Those puns.
Should have killed her though, still those needles. Bad fashion sense.
I wanted her to, like, you know, intervene in that the whole screen.
See, this level shows what drugs aren't good. Bullets respawn, no.
I know.
Yeah, it's just asking. If you dodge every bubble, you get an achievement.
Yes, there is. I've done it once before. On the account that I got, well, blocked from earning potential achievements on it.
Well, it's not blocked from gaining achievements, really.
I literally am blocked for getting achievements on it.
You can't get any achievements.
On that other account, I can't.
That's a bit hard.
No, not really.
I mean, I know you glitched to achieve a game score. They should
Look on the bright side, I got away with it for 4 years, so yeah.
And then someone who didn't get away with it was salty about it and went to PlayStation. Not dead.
Uh-oh.
1 truth becomes 2, 2 becomes 4. But you can see the other little white line going through the model, which indicates that they're about to.
This shows what drugs are bad for you, Mo. 1 boss becomes 4, and then you really shut.
Oh shit!
Uh-oh.
Oh great! I'm never gonna get that achievement now.
Don't worry about it.
The bubble hit me. Anyways, I'm just playing it for the game. I'm just not focusing on the achievements anymore. Like over a year ago, I was like focused on getting the achievements, but no.
There's one you're definitely not going to try and get.
Screw the gondola sequence.
Destruction. There's 2 combines. There's still a combine.
Why should these illusions hurt? I have no idea.
Because you're on drugs. You do realise the illusions when you're on drugs actually hurt. But no, I'm hurt.
No message back yet.
Yeah. But no, right, when you take hardcore drugs and shit like that's happening, it actually does damage you. Like shit happens to you, you don't realise it's happening. You end up all black and blue at the end of it, anyway.
God.
Someone decided to take mushrooms and then they decided to go and watch a horror film with a girl climbing up the
The Ring.
Yeah, and he happened to see the girl climbing out of the TV, as if it was coming out of his TV. He started probably freaking out.
Yo man, this is like 3D or something.
It could be worse. You could take mushrooms and launch those
They used to take mushrooms, right? And they watch horror films, play heavy metal, rock, thrash metal. Okay, and try and frighten each other.
All I do, right, is I get someone to take mushrooms or something, right, and then I make them watch Ghostbusters.
Yeah, got her on the last shot.
The bit with the Marshmallow Man.
Oh, that was Zuba. Yeah, Marshmallow Man chasing him down the street. Running through all the streets, all that head and screaming, the Marshmallow Man chasing him.